Park a luxury vehicle in a sunny Las Vegas driveway, and it looks perfectly safe. The sky is clear, the neighborhood is quiet, and the car looks pristine. Zoom in, and a completely different reality emerges. The surface is under constant, aggressive assault from microscopic, highly abrasive desert particles slamming into the paint. To deal with this daily accumulation of dust, most owners logically turn to the most convenient option available, the drive-through tunnel wash. Inside one of these automated systems, those massive spinning brushes trap the abrasive desert dirt left behind by hundreds of cars that came before yours. They then drag that heavy grit directly across your clear coat under immense friction. Compounding the physical damage is a harsh chemical attack. These tunnels rely on highly alkaline and highly acidic bulk soaps that actively strip away any protective factory waxes your vehicle might have left. The result is a network of permanent swirl marks, microscopic scratches, and accelerated paint degradation that leaves high-value vehicles looking dull and lifeless. Relying on automated washing in the Mojave Desert is a mechanical failure that accelerates the destruction of your paint. Fixing it requires precise, targeted chemical intervention. The most immediate threat to your vehicle is right overhead. The relentless Nevada sun acts like a magnifying glass on exterior paint, pushing surface temperatures to dangerous extremes. This intense ultraviolet radiation triggers rapid oxidation. It actively strips the essential oils and moisture from the clear coat, turning deep, vibrant blacks into cloudy grays. A ceramic coating protects automotive paint using a geometric layer of silicon dioxide. It bonds directly to the clear coat, physically deflecting incoming UV light rays. Being entirely hydrophobic, this barrier actively rejects intense heat and prevents chemical contaminants from bonding to the factory paint. Applying this specific UV-blocking chemistry is the only definitive way to prevent premature aging, chalky paint, and cracked interior dashboards from ruining a vehicle's value. Then there is the physical threat. Seasonal desert windstorms carry highly abrasive silica dust across the scrubland and deposit it directly into residential driveways. When an owner casually wipes this dust away with a towel, without the proper chemical lubrication, it acts exactly like sandpaper. It etches a tight web of microscopic scratches across the entire vehicle. An ultrasonic gauge scans the damaged clear coat, measuring the exact depth of the microscopic scratches. Technicians then use fine abrasives to carefully level the paint, grinding down the jagged peaks to match the deepest scratches, leaving a perfectly flat, uniform top layer. True restoration is this meticulous, microscopic leveling process. It is an entirely distinct science from simply washing off loose surface dirt. The third threat occurs when sudden, localized rain showers mix with that alkaline desert dust resting on a hot vehicle hood. As soon as the sun emerges, it rapidly bakes this moisture. This reaction leaves behind heavily etched calcium and magnesium mineral deposits that bond fiercely to the clear coat and cannot be wiped away. This animation shows how spot-free deionization filtration solves the problem. Standard tap water passes through a specialized tank that captures and strips out all the floating calcium and magnesium minerals before the purified water ever exits the hose. Utilizing this purified, deionized water is the absolute baseline requirement for safely washing a hot vehicle outdoors without inflicting permanent water spots. When you chemically level the clear coat, properly decontaminate the surfaces, and shield them with hardened protective layers, the vehicle achieves a flawless, mirror-like reflection that holds up even in the harshest desert conditions. Historically, reaching this level of perfection required a logistical nightmare. Owners had to abandon their luxury vehicles at a stationary shop for multiple days, arrange temporary rides, and disrupt their entire schedule. Today, high-end mobile detailing units operate as fully self-contained rolling laboratories, bringing that exact same level of stationary shop quality directly to you. These units arrive completely equipped. They carry onboard power generators, climate-adaptive polishing compounds, and heavy-duty deionization tanks, requiring zero resources from the property owner. For busy professionals, protecting a high-value automotive investment against the Mojave climate no longer requires sacrificing an entire afternoon. It is achieved by bringing precision science directly to the driveway.